Welcome back. This is our totally awesome video telling you how to learn piano without a piano teacher. Wait, is this going to put me out of business? Let's be honest. Our first piece of advice would always be to try to find a good teacher. If your own self-practice is the gas pedal, a piano teacher would be like the steering wheel. Finding a good piano teacher will help you stay on the right track. But we understand there are times when a good piano teacher isn't available or affordable. I was one of those. I started with a few years of lessons as a kid, but then was largely self-taught until I was 21 years old. Although I was able to learn a lot on my own, knowing what I know now, I think I would have done things a little differently. Hello, young Alex. Whoa, old Alex. How did you get here? Never mind that. I'm here to help you get the most out of your practice. Rad. You're going to be my piano teacher? No, dummy. You are. Wait. So, what were you about to practice? Probably some Beethoven or something? I don't know. You don't know? Well, you should know. One thing you should definitely do is to always have specific goals in mind. Just like a good teacher would give you weekly assignments, you should give yourself weekly, daily, or even hourly goals for what you want to accomplish. Great. I'll set some goals. And I was just going to practice for like 4 hours, but you're probably going to say I should do 6. Whoa, hang on. It's not all about quantity. The quality of your practice time is even more important. Practicing piano isn't like running on a treadmill. You can't just turn your brain off and play notes and expect to get much better. The most effective practice is mindful practice. Real mindful practice means you're constantly paying attention to everything you're doing and of the sound being produced. Normally, a good teacher could watch and listen for things to improve, but now you don't have that. So you're going to need to be hyper aware of everything you're doing and be constantly asking things like, is that the best sound I want? Is that the best fingering? Do I feel like I'm really in control of this passage? Have I checked every part of the sheet music? Mindful practice can be exhausting, so it's okay to take breaks and practice more frequently and maybe not for 4 hours straight. All right, I got this. Thanks, old Alex. Not so fast. I know you don't have a teacher, but do you really think you need to do this all on your own? Why not have a support system? Have a friend or a family member be someone that frequently checks up on you to see how your progress is going. They don't even have to be a musician. They just need to be someone to hold you accountable, which will encourage you to demonstrate your progress every now and then. Wow, it sounds like you really know what you're talking about. I can't take all the credit. You see, where I come from in 2019, there's this thing called the internet, which is just full of resources, which I wish I had when I was your age. Like what? There are YouTube channels, there are blogs, smartphone apps, and websites like Hoffman Academy. In fact, there are thousands of people learning to play piano just like you, using the resources available to them. I don't even know what you just said, but it sounds amazing. Good luck, Alex. You got this. Thanks for watching. Are you learning piano on your own? What do you do to keep yourself on track? Let us know in the comments. If you're learning piano on your own, you should definitely check out our website and see what Hoffman Academy can offer you. We post awesome videos and tutorials each week. Happy practicing!